Now my co-driver is gonna get me out of here because I'm lost. Robert, you gonna drive? You don't want to drive? Well, get your ass over here and drive. You got to drive. Come on. I ain't driving. Get over here and drive. Get over here and drive. I ain't drive. I can't even drive. Can you drive?
No, everybody in.
Ain't nobody gonna see nothing. Who cares? You gonna roll that window up or you gonna leave it down?
Down.
Okay. You drive. You're in charge.
Hold up, what you do? You did something.
Panic mode. There you go. Middle of the road, remember, middle of the road.
Why is it like this? Is it upside
Turn it,
down? Is it upside down? Are you kidding me, Paw?
I'll help you up to the hill. How about that? You just hold on. You ain't got to grip the wheel like it's a death grip. Not that hard. You got it. You got it. Go this way. Yeah, you got it. Get away a little bit. There we go. Up periscope. Why are you leaning on me? Why are you leaning on me?
Like a kid doing shake me. You're gonna just.
Why are you leaning on me? There's a motorcycle. You know what we gotta do? Pull over like this and stop. There you go. There you go. There's a motorcycle. Hey man. Alright, get back behind the wheel. Sit in the middle. Put both feet in. There you go.
This works a little bit better now. I can probably drive a little bit better now.
You think so?
I can see better. I know that.
Okay, well you can see better. Oh, you can see better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sit right
Last
there.
time I was too high, and I was seeing a little bit too high when I was trying to.
All right. Carry on. Gotta get me out of here. I'm lost. Oh, bumpy road. I'm just little. Oh, bumpy road.
Every time when you hit a bump on the back wheel, there's a chance that one day this thing can, if it's a big enough bump, it can literally flip my whole.
Go to the right.
The right's that way.
That way. Right's that way. That's right. Turn hard. Here, I help you. I got it.
You're just gonna do that part and then.
I let it straighten up. It'll almost straighten up on its own. There you go. Now you in control now. You're all about you.
So I'm gonna like this.
If you want to, I'll put my phone back over here. Uh-oh, you mud riding again? I told you stay out there in mud.
And there's no way to dodge that.
Ain't no way to dodge that.
Because there was 3 holes, and like one side was taking the other, the other one taking the side, and then one was taking, the tiny one was taking the middle.
Alright, we'll get in the middle of the road.
There's syrup all over this.
Huh?
There's something all over this.
No, there ain't nothing wrong with this. You get in the middle of the road.
Sticky something.
Huh?
Sticky.
Hey, well, there's something sticky over there. Move your hand.
Like up here?
Yeah. There might be something sticky over there.
There it is.
Okay, well, just move your hand over there. Middle of the road. Yeah. Middle of the road. Bam. Just hit every mud hole in town, yeah. Don't hit that one right there. To the left. Left is that way. Do not hit that water. Do not hit that water. All right.
It would have been funny if I just did it on purpose and then you got mud all over you and you're like.
All you're going to do is get Paw Paw's truck dirty. That's all you do.
He's like, I don't want this truck dirty. It's
already dirty. It's already dirty. Who cares?
But you just don't want to even know where to. Oh,
I just don't want to get stuck and have to walk.
Like all the way back. That would be a struggle. Like,
you know how far away from town we are?
Like walking all up in this, all up this hill. Like that would be chaos.
We're a long way from town, son.
Kind of a long way from home, too.
You wouldn't have no idea where to go, would you?
No.
I know.
And I was going something like, where am I? I'm about to go call my Paw Paw. And then I got my phone and I'm like, oh no, my phone's dead. And then I had to walk the rest of the way and then I come back and say, you need to get a tow truck, call a tow truck.
I need a tow truck. What's the hold up?
Yeah. Gotta pull my truck out and pick. And then you'll be like, what, really?
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, really. And you'll be like, fine, and I'll do it. And I don't want to. Don't get me that. Don't get in that puddle.
I don't care. Bam.
That one was big.
Make sure you just hit the little puddles.
Little puddles are fine. The big ones aren't. We've hit a. And there's a big puddle right there, ain't it?
Yeah, you go just straddle it. You go right over. It'll be all right.
That was
Ooh,
big.
There we go.
He was like, let's
I
go
wasn't sure.
around.
Get back over. Get out the ditch.
It's because
Get in the middle of the road.
He was like, it's not that big. Let me just go through it. And then he was like, oh.
Get in the middle of the road. Middle of the road, Robert. Then why you keep turning to the right? You got to straighten it up. So you got to straighten it up when you get back in the road. You got to straighten it up. Robert, middle of the road. Don't go in that water.
Don't go in the big one.
Nope.
It'll be dirty like crazy.
Yep.
It would come in here. It
Turn.
would literally come in here. You know that?
Yep. We don't want to.
We don't want it to come in here because
No.
it'll be dirty when we have to take a shower all day.
That's right.
Like we'd never be done.
That's right.
Like, I'd be full of mud. Like, my shirt. That would go through our shirts, literally.
Probably. Take a left right here. We're going to take a hard left. Hard left. Turn on it. Turn left right here. Go that way. You got it? You got it? More left. There we go. Up periscope. Left. More left.
More left.
There we go. We got it.
little bit more
We
left.
almost to the road.
And then you're going to take over.
And I'm going to drive us home.
Because you know I can't drive on the road.
No, you can't drive on no road. Have you lost your
I
mind?
know. I said yes. I said yeah, because I got to be like 16 or 15. But when I'm 15, I have to at least have a parent in here. If I'm going to drive like with the steering wheel and the pedal, you know that?
Yeah, stay out that water. Stay out of that water.
Both of them?
The big one.
I wasn't even going to the big one.
Okay. Yeah, you got to be 15, you can drive with your parents.
And if you're 16, you can drive on your own.
That's right.
Without no one.
You what?
Wait. Huh?
Out of the ditch.
I know.
You're struggling with the middle of the road concept.
I keep on thinking of nothing but the road.
I don't care which one of them you hit, Robert.
So I can just hit both of them.
Middle of the road. Middle of the
That
road.
one is higher than our windshield.
Huh?
The tiny one went higher than our windshield.
That'd be all right. Middle of the road.
No, that was a hard turn though.
I know, but stay in the middle of the road.
Straighten up. And turn a
You're doing so good. Papa was proud of you. You're driving better than your daddy was at his age.
and I should be in the middle.
You probably got a lot more practice though on it. On Big Papa's four-wheeler, yeah. You got a lot more
That was
practice.
practice.
Yeah, it is
For
practice.
when I drive a real
That's
car.
right. Because you almost
I can probably drive a go-kart by myself now.
probably could.
I can reach the pedals. I know I can.
Cause you almost already, you driving it, your daddy's speed already, except I got the gas pedal. And he stay out the ditch. Oh, stay out the ditch. He could only go 25 when I taught him how to drive out here. But now he was driving by himself.
Like tall enough to reach the pedals?
Yeah, he was tall enough to reach the pedals and everything.
Was he like 15 or something?
Turn hard to the right. Hard to the right. There you go. There you go.
Make sure it's not upside down again, like we had to mess up that one
Yeah,
time.
that'll be all right. I'll slow down a little bit. Turn left, hard to left. Remember, you can let go with one hand if you have to. If you turn too far, you have to go let go with one hand. But you're supposed to keep both hands on the steering wheel.
At all times.
Yep, unless you just absolutely have to.
And as a kid, I need to put 2 hands.
Well, you actually can keep 2 hands on there all the time, but I don't know how to explain it to you. On your first trip down the road.
Just keep them on the whole time. Don't even let go.
That's right, middle of the road. Out of the ditch.
And we can see more.
Oh, to the right, to the right, to the right.
They're probably like, how is that kid driving that good?
I don't know.
They're probably like, that kid's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm just 9 and I'm already doing this. You know that?
Hey, what?
I'm just 9 and I'm already doing this.
You're mad?
No, I'm just not. Oh.
Uh-oh. Well, just go slow. Just go right through the middle of them. You're just, what about
Just
doing
don't
this?
hit the big. I'm just 9 and I'm doing all this.
That's right, you're only 9.
And my dad was like,
I don't remember when I started teaching you, Daddy, but he was about your age.
a little bit, probably a little bit older.
Maybe just a little bit older. Maybe 10 or 11. I don't remember.
Probably 11.
You got a lot to learn, though. I mean, you just sitting in my lap right now, but he got up to driving. He learned to drive.
I am literally older.
You doing extra good, Robert. You did as good in school. We'd be in good shape. Here we are. Look here. We got asphalt. Pull up. Keep on. I'm gonna stop. I'll stop. Just drive straight to the road. Straight to the road. Stop. Stop. We made it to the pavement. Thank God. All right. Bam.